but our military has gone woke, and we're teetering on the edge of World War III. We've never been closer than we are right now to World War III. There's only one candidate in this race who's going to be up to the task of saving America from every single Biden disaster starting on day one. Number one, I know the players on the other side, and they always respected your country. I don't want to say they respected me, but boy, did they respect this country when I was in charge. They respected us like they've never respected us, right? You wouldn't have had Ukraine. You wouldn't have had Israel being attacked. Russia wouldn't be attacking Ukraine, but you wouldn't have had the attack on Israel. You wouldn't have had inflation. You wouldn't have had any of this stuff. You wouldn't have China longing to go into Taiwan. You know, they're just waiting for the right moment. They wouldn't even talk about it. They weren't even talking about it, though, and they won't be, I promise you that. But with your vote in these caucuses, we're going to finish the job, and we're going to get it done, and we're going to actually be stronger than ever before. It's hard